It was our last day in Tokyo, and we had one more place to visit. But before that... One last time for good luck. What did you get for your last one's Jam?
Glazed donut, strawberry donut. You can never go wrong with the honey donut. And you?
I got strawberry one. I don't know what this is, but it's like it's got sweet little pieces on. But some sort of chocolate, and then regular chocolate donut. Ivan came through with that melon soda. What else can we get? How's the coffee? Got out of Mr. Donut, and we wanted to get some books. So we went to a bookstore that's right in front of the store. I ended up getting Mob Psycho, a Junji Ito collection, and Akira. And all of that for like 27 bucks, and I got it in Japanese. Hopefully maybe one day we'll be able to read it. I just wanted to have some originals from here. You go through the station, and it's called, actually I don't remember what it's called, but I will put it at the bottom of the screen right now. The whole station down here has little shops and stuff like that, and then that leads up to the rest of Skytree town. So it's nice to take this way.
Wow.
We just went through the bottom floor, and I found some cheesecake that I'm really tempted to go back and get. But I just got this little, like, it's like two little divers for my frogs back home. They have a cute as heck pet store there. I always recommend going to. They sell little axolotls for only like $10. And I don't know if I can have those in the States, but I goddamn want one. It's a good place for like, what, beauty type stuff. And then directly outside the door is the Ghibli store. Jim, what'd you get from the makeup store?
The cherry blossom gel foam cleanser.
They have a whole Simpsons collection right now. That's pretty cool. There's the Ghibli store. They got the cat bus in the window. Look at that. And if you just turn around, got the Skytree right behind you. I am a big fan of the Ghibli movies, but this place can get really expensive really fast. You can throw this in with your Canadian tuxedo. All this stuff here is really high quality, so be ready to spend some money. There's a whole floor dedicated to just food, so this is the place to try something new. What did you get?
Girl styling and profiling.
Wow.
Ooh, that's sharp.
Is it like a
Spicy?
McDonald's Sprite?
But better.
Skytree is also a good place to just walk around and try as much food as possible. Every side that you go through just smells so good.
My heart is racing.
That's the cholesterol.
That's the cholesterol. Also, I'm excited.
Oh my god, that's so tall. I always get vertigo whenever I just look to the top of buildings like this. Do you get vertigo too?
Tall bitch. Think I can jump to the top?
Yeah, do it. So a lot of people wait. Lines are huge whenever you want to go to the very top of the Skytree. But honestly, there's a free view in Asakusa that we'll probably go to later that I like better, and it's free. And you're only on the 8th floor, but because every building over there is short, you can see out. So I'd recommend that view over waiting in line and paying like $30 to go up there. We're gonna go to the last Pokemon Center of the trip. And I just need one more evolution. Evolution? I have 3 right now. The only one that I need from the originals is Jolteon. So I'm gonna see if they have that, and then hopefully buy that and complete that collection. Look how cool that is. I didn't realize the signs. Mr. Pokemon. It's also a good place to get souvenirs because what says Japan more than Pikachu? Daiso is my favorite place to get souvenirs for other people because it's a 100 yen store, so everything's about $1 US, and the stuff's pretty high quality. So if you have a coworker that you have to get something for, just be like, hey Steve, here's some Japanese band-aids or socks, and for $1, you just made Steve's day. last of my shopping out of the way. I got 2 shirts from Uniqlo, 2 pairs of pants, and then 2 pairs of pants from GU. So now I got a full outfit from Japan.
You got fits.
I got fits for days. The only thing I couldn't find is the longboard jacket. You guys don't know what I'm talking about?
I know exactly.
This is what I'm talking about.
It's all good. I got it online later. I will say that the rest of this video is kind of a shit show, and it might have something to do with the fact that you can buy drinks at convenience stores. I also don't remember most of this until I started editing, but it looks like we had a good time, so hopefully you do too.
Who wants me to jump on the tracks?
Me.
Oh shit.
Oh, what are those moves? What the fuck? What the? Oh. So the last day of Tokyo, we decided to close out the whole trip with a visit to Asakusa, which is my favorite part of the town. Pretty much, I love Asakusa. It's got kind of like an old-timey feel to it. So I appreciate that.
No, it is very pretty.
We're gonna just get some dinner and call it a night, and then go home and pack. That's the end of the trip.
It's only my 3rd day out here. I don't know.
Hello there. Welcome to my crib. That's my house. That's my other house. That's my FICA. This is my house. That's my other FICA.
Okay.
Ficus? Is it FICA or Ficus? I just bought it. Here's my collection of cards.
Okay. Oh, these are all yours?
Yeah.
Dope. Dope, son. We came just a little bit too late. All the shops are closed, but the lights look like nice enough. I'm out of money anyway, so it doesn't even matter. They're pulling the stuff into the stores now. It's the end of the night.
Asakusa has kept a lot of its old Tokyo vibe to it, with a street lined with traditional Japanese crafts and street food stalls. Only a 15-minute train ride from Skytree, this is one of those must-visit spots while you're in the area.
It's probably hard to see me here, but that's why it's my favorite part of town. And I don't think we've ever seen it at night like this, right? During the day, this is a really nice place to go get some like street food. That is it. See, it's hard to argue that this is one of the most beautiful parts of town. So I do recommend staying here, right on the Yamanote line, so you can get around easy if you really need to. It's got one of the most historic temples. It's got just beautiful like art everywhere you go. And on top of everything else, it's got my favorite Don Quixote in all of Japan. Check this shit out. How much did you end up spending? 50? Ivan, you spent?
56.
And I spent 33.
32. And now I got 10 monies left.
Last thing that we're gonna do for tonight is get something to eat, and then we'll get something to eat.
We can eat after.
Are we gonna eat?
No, but we're gonna eat.
I don't got nothing to eat.
It's the end of the night. We went back to that restaurant that Ivan and I went to a few nights ago, and now
My burger already.
and this is literally all I had money for it. I have 0 money for the rest of this trip. Damn, Carl's out here acting rich with like 4 things in her bag. I got 1 coffee. This was 108 yen, and that was the last of my money for the rest of this trip. Other than, you know, like the train ride. But other than that, this is it. Hey, Jam, what's your favorite wish?
I feel like at this point we're all delirious.
All right.
Oh, I'm gonna strike my car.
I cannot wait for this night to end.
All right, time to pack and go home.
Train is for Narita Airport.
Our time in Japan was short, but we saw and did a lot. It's one of those places that you can't not fall in love with, and the time we spent there with our friends is memories that I'll cherish for a lifetime. I know it's kind of cheesy, but these guys are cool. Sometimes. Kind of. I hope my video series made you love Tokyo as much as I do. If not, at least make you want to go there a little bit more. Let me know what's your favorite thing to do while you're in Japan, or Tokyo more specifically. And for all those who joined us, thank you so much. I'll make sure to include a link to the rest of the Japan videos And really, I do appreciate you guys watching these. Make sure to give it a like and a thumbs up. And we're off to the next. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you next time.